Imagine getting the email you've been waiting for. Congratulations, your new salary is $100,000 a year. You smile, you call your family, maybe even celebrate because you finally made it, right? Then explain this. Why are thousands of Americans earning six figures still living paycheck to paycheck? Where does all that money actually go? Let's follow one paycheck. Meet Jake. He's 30 years old. He earns just over $100,000 a year. On paper, he's doing everything right. A good job, a nice apartment, a reliable car, a career that's moving forward. So payday arrives, his bank balance jumps. For a moment, he feels rich. Then the countdown begins. First, taxes take their share. Next, health insurance. Then rent, car payment, student loans, utilities, groceries, phone bill, internet, streaming subscriptions. One notification after another. His paycheck quietly disappears, and the month has barely started. Jake isn't buying luxury watches. He's not flying first class. He's just paying for everyday life. So he thinks, maybe I just need a bigger salary. A few months later, he gets promoted. More money. Problem solved. Except it isn't. He upgrades to a nicer apartment, gets a newer car, starts eating out more often, adds a few more monthly subscriptions. Without realizing it, his lifestyle grows just as fast as his income. His paycheck gets bigger, but so do his expenses. Then inflation quietly joins the game. Groceries cost more, insurance goes up, rent climbs again. Everything gets just a little more expensive. Not enough to panic, but enough to slowly drain every raise he earns. And that's the trap. Most people believe becoming wealthy is about making more money, but income alone doesn't create wealth. The gap between what you earn and what you keep is what changes your future. That's why someone making $60,000 can quietly build wealth, while someone earning $100,000 still feels broke. Because the biggest financial leak isn't always a low salary. Sometimes it's a lifestyle that grows faster than your paycheck. And that's a game millions of Americans don't realize they're playing until they wonder where all their money went.